What if your 3D printer could easily print with flexible materials? It's possible with the LPD Plus technology we have developed for Zortrax Inventure. A reliable advanced extrusion system makes 3D printing of precise flexible parts easier than ever. Flexible materials open up a world of possibilities, like prototyping airless tyres for planetary rovers. Such materials can bend without breaking and are resistant to tearing, wearing and heat in tightly controlled 3D printing conditions maintained by the Zortrax Inventure. Flexible models turn out accurate and durable, strong enough for fully functional prototypes. See what else the Zortrax Inventure 3D printer can do for you.